Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome back to 9th class English grammar. In our previous classes, we have already discussed about nouns and pronouns. Today, we shall discuss about adjective. Adjective in Oriya Visheshana. An adjective is a word which qualifies, modifies, or describes as a noun. What did I say? An adjective is a word which qualifies, modifies, and describes a noun. In Oriya, it is called Visheshana. They are of different kinds. Their kinds are of like this. What did I say? They are like this. Opinion adjectives, they are good, bad, ugly, nice, useful, wonderful, naughty, etc. Size, big, small, medium, enormous, huge, tiny, little, etc. Next, physical quantity, heavy, light, hard, soft, etc. Age, old, young, new, ancient, recent, medieval, antique. Next, shape, round, oval, triangular, conical, irregular. Next, color, red, green, black, white, colored. Place of origin, Indian, Chinese, tropical, equatorial, polar, sea, pond, river. Materials, iron, gold, silver, copper, earthen, wood or wooden, woolen, bamboo, stone, steel. Next one is purpose, walking, drinking, washing, cleaning, living. So these are the different kinds of adjectives. And we now let's learn the order of adjectives. Adjectives usually tell us about something or somebody. So when there are more than one adjectives are used, their order is first comes opinion. If there is opinion, next comes size, next physical quantity, next age, next shape, next color, next place of origin, next materials, then purpose. We write adjectives in this order. Now let's move to the next point. Pre-modifiers of the noun phrase. What did I say?
Modifiers of the noun phrase.
Pre-modifiers of the noun phrase. Read the following and see the kind of words we can use as pre-modifiers in a noun phrase. Number one, articles. A flower, an orange, the elephant. Next, demonstratives. This, that elephant, these, those elephants. A and the are articles. This, that, these, those are demonstratives. Then numerals. 1, 3, the first, third. These are numerals. 1, 2, 3 are called cardinals, and first, second, third are called ordinals. Next comes quantifiers: many, some, a few, much, a little. Like many flowers, some books, a few children, much, a little water. Next possessives: Rama's shirt, my friend, their house. So Rama's, my, their are possessives. Next distributives: each man, every town, either a book, neither pen. So each, every, either, neither are called distributives. Next multipliers. Multipliers are double, twice, 1/3. That is double the number, twice the quantity, 1/3 people. Next WH words like which, whose, which book, which class. All these above pre-modifying class of words are called determiners. In addition to the determiners, an adjective, a participle, and another noun can also be the part of the predeterminers in a noun phrase. So, adjective: the white goats, here white; a black cat, here black. Participle: a running train, trained workers. Noun: a brick house, a tablecloth. The usual pattern of noun phrase is determiners, adjective plus noun head plus post, head noun plus post modified. Again, noun phrase, the usual pattern of a noun phrase is determiners plus adjective plus noun head plus post modifiers. Now let's move to the next point. Look at the following tree diagram. This is a diagram. Mark the position of the elements in the noun phrase. All the four, example, all the four very old science college. Mark, this is a noun phrase made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words. And the last word is the head noun. So noun phrase is like this: predeterminer. All is the predeterminer. The is the determiner. 4 is the cardinal. Very is the adjective phrase and intensifier and old adjective. Next classifier, that means science, head noun college. Note that all these predeterminers have up constructions which are optional with nouns and obligatory or compulsory with personal pronouns. Look at the following list of optional with nouns. Optional लगे पार कि न लगे पार, it's no problem, it will not cost anything. But in second case, use of is must, that means obligatory. So all of the boys, here the word of in bracket can be used or cannot be used. All of the boys and all the boys, both are correct. Both have the place, both the place, both are correct. Half of the time, both are correct. But all of them, both of them, none of them, you, half of it. In this case, use of is must. Okay, now let's have a look on articles. How many articles are there in English? There are 3 articles in English. What are they? They are A, N, D. Right? So let's know the use of N. You have already learnt that an is the indefinite article of the 3 articles. How many articles did I say? 3 articles. What are they? A, N, D. Right? A, N are indefinite articles, and D. D is definite article. So an is the indefinite article and D is the definite article. Now let us learn more about their uses. Use of an, the indefinite article. We use a before a singular count nouns beginning with a consonant vyanjana varna sound. A boy, a girl, a chair, a house, a European, a university. Though European begins with a vowel, but as it sounds like a consonant, that is why a is used here before European. Similar is the case with university. Though the word university begins with a vowel, but it sounds like a consonant, so article a is used with university. So we came to know that whether a word begins with a vowel or a consonant, it does not matter. What matters is if the word begins with vowel sound, there we have to use article n. Otherwise we will use a. Next point. Before now names of professions. Mr. Das is a teacher. Sunita is a student. Teacher is a profession. Student is also a profession. Right? Teacher is a profession who earns money. But and a studentship is a profession who earns knowledge. Before a singular, what did I say? Before a
Singular.
wait, just 1 minute. Okay, before a singular count noun to refer to a class of some animals, trees. A tiger is a wild animal, that means all tigers. A coconut tree grows very tall, that means all coconut trees. A tiger, the tiger, or tigers refer to all tigers. Now let's move to next point. Before a particular lunch, we use a indefinite article a before a particular lunch, dinner or breakfast. We had a nice lunch today. My friend hosted a dinner for us. But while making general reference to lunch or dinner, we don't use any article before them. We have lunch at 1 o'clock every day. My mother prepares breakfast for us. A means one. When we use it with numbers, units of weight or measure, ଆମେ ଯଦି କୌଣସି ମାପ ସହିତ ମାପର ଏକ ସହିତ we use a means one, its meaning becomes one, that is I need 100 rupee. Sugar sells 30 rupees a kilo. I spend a quarter of my income on food. Next point, we use n before singular count nouns and abbreviations. Abbreviations means USA, USSR. These are the abbreviation of USA. Is the abbreviation of United States of America. We FB is the abbreviation of boyfriend. Facebook, like this. So, and abbreviation beginning with a vowel sound. An orange, the begins with the vowel sound. So, N is used. An umbrella, an elephant, an hour. Mark the word begins with a consonant, but it sounds like a vowel, so n is used. ଆମର ସ୍ୱରବର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଲାଗୁ ପଦ ସ୍ୱରବର୍ଣ୍ଣରେ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଉ, ପଦଟି ସ୍ୱରବର୍ଣ୍ଣରେ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଉ କିମ୍ବା ବ୍ୟଞ୍ଜନ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣରେ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଉ, ଆମେ ସେ ଜାଗାରେ କ'ଣ କରିବା? ଯଦି ତାର ଉଚ୍ଚାରଣ ସ୍ୱରବର୍ଣ୍ଣ ହୁଏ ତେବେ ଏନ୍ ଲଗେଇବା। ଯଦି ସ୍ୱରବର୍ଣ୍ଣରେ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୋଇଥିଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ବ୍ୟଞ୍ଜନ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣର ଉଚ୍ଚାରଣ ଆସେ, ସେହି ଜାଗାରେ ଆମେ କେବଳ ଏ ଲଗେଇବା। Now next point is an honest man. Mark honest, the word honest begins with a consonant but sounds a vowel. That is why n is used. Similar is the case with NMP. M is capital consonant, you know, but here it sounds like a vowel, so it is used with n. Similar is the case with NCC, that is NCC cadet. On NLP school, could understand where to use a and n, right? Next, move to the next point. Here, use of the definite article. We discussed just a little before, we discussed about the use of indefinite article a and n. Now we will learn the use of the definite article the. So, where shall we use the definite article the? Point number 1. We use the before a noun when we mention it for a second time or a subsequent time. ଥରେ ଲେଖିଦେବା, ପୁଣି ଥରେ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଲେଖିଲେ we will write the same noun with the. For example, once there lived a tiger. What did I say? A tiger. The tiger was very angry, very ferocious. Say I used the tiger second time, so I used the. The tiger was very ferocious. Could understand? Next, I have bought a house and the house is quite big. First house used with a, second house used with the. Next, I made a toy myself and the toy was liked by everyone. Point 2. We can use the before any noun when the hearer सुनिया लोकोडा knows the person or thing we are talking about. आमे दी से जगह व्यवहार करिबा तमे जो लोक को कहूच जो कथाटी कहूच सेई कथाटी जदि सुनिवा लोक जानिछि तेबे सेई कथार आगरे दी लगेबा. फॉर एग्जांपल दी हेडमास्टर तामाने मु जेतळ दी हेडमास्टर कहली तमे जानिछ यू नो इट आई नो इट. Could understand? The headmaster is known to you and known to me. Could understand? So listener knows it and also hearer knows it. That is why the headmaster called the peon. The peon is also known to both the listener and the hearer. So peon and asked him to ring the bell. Could understand? Next. Here the headmaster and the peon are known to both the speaker and the hearer. I told you listener and hearer, the same thing. Listener is the hearer. Out of mind, I said. Actually that is the speaker knows it and also listener or hearer knows it. Okay, sometimes it happens. Okay, come to the point. Are known to both the speaker and the hearer. And the bell means the school bell, you know. Next point 3. With the superlatives, big, bigger, biggest, smaller, smaller, smallest. So, big, bigger, biggest. With the superlative, all want to have the best. Good, better, best. So best thing in life. Meera is the fastest runner of all. She is the most intelligent girl in the class. Right? So best, fastest, most are superlative degrees and they are used with the definite article the. Next point is with some adjectives to indicate the general class of people. We use a plural verb with them and the rich should help the poor. Here the rich means dhani loko mane, the poor means gariba loko mane, the rich means all rich people, the poor means all poor men. Now let's move to the next point. The blind depend on our support. That the blind means all blind men. The young as well as the old need our care. The young means all young people. The old means all old people. Next point. With some nationality adjectives to indicate the people living in that country. The English left India in 1947. The Japanese are very hard working. The English means the people of England and the Japanese means the people of Japan. But English and Japanese without the means the names of two languages. If you use the with English, it will refer to people, and without the English refer to language. So English language, Japanese language. Okay, now let's move. But a Japanese means a person of Japanese nationality. That is Mr. Hirohito is a Japanese. Next point is with we use definite article the with names of some unique structures. Only one. Unique means special and only one. That is the Taj Mahal is very famous. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris. Next, we use definite article the before names of great books and newspapers. We have great books, holy books. We use definite article before with them, and they are like this: the Gita, the Bible, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Panchatantra, the Times of India, the Samaj. We use definite article the before nouns referring to service system. That is, I will talk with him over the phone. He is coming on the next train. But I travel by train. I listen to the radio, but I watch TV every day. Next point is we use definite article the before names of musical instruments. Sangita jantra, like what? Mary plays the piano well. Piano is a musical instrument. I am learning to play the guitar. Guitar is a musical instrument. Next point is we use definite article before names of rivers, oceans, seas and mountain ranges. The Ganga, the Mahanadi, the Pacific, the Atlantic. Pacific, Atlantic are oceans. The Ganga, the Mahanadi are rivers. The Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, the Gulf of Mannar, the Himalayas, the Vindhyas, etc. But we don't use the before names of mountains and lakes like Mount Everest. This is a proper noun. It is not a mountain range. So we can't use the with it. Similarly, Mount Kilimanjaro is a proper noun. We can't use the with it. Similarly, Mount Kanchenjunga, Chilika Lake, these are the proper names. So we can't use the with them. Next point is we use article the before names of countries which are federations or kingdoms. So the USA, the United States of America. USA is the abbreviation of the United States of America. Similarly, the UK, the United Kingdom, the Great Britain, the Soviet Union, the UAE, the United Arab Emirates. But most countries do not take the before the names, that is India, China, Japan. Now let's discuss the next point. We use definite article the before names of island countries or islands made of smaller islands. The Andamans, the West Indies. But bigger island countries go without the before the names. For example, Australia, Sri Lanka, Japan. Now let's move to the next point. The next point is before names of astronomical bodies. Astronomical bodies means ulga ज्योतिर्पिंड गुड़ाक the sun, the moon, the stars, the earth, the space, the satellites, the planets. So we use the with them. Okay. Today we discussed about different types of adjectives, their order and use of an, and the, and We will discuss about verb in our next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.